Hello grade 8, welcome to lesson 7 of my algebra sessions on YouTube, and we're going to start with square roots, cube roots, squares and cubes. Now we've done this already. I had one in the test and Brian got it right. Well done Brian, going ahead and doing some research. When I square root something, what do I have to do? If you remember, we had square root of 25x to the power of 4. The square root of 25 we knew was 5, but what do we do to the power or to the degree? We divided it by 2. So let's have a look at squares and cubes. You already know before. Let's have a look at some examples. So when I did 4 squared, what will it give me? It'll give me 16. When I do 4 cubed, it's 4 times 4 times 4, which will give me 64. So let's look at examples. It's so very similar to our exponents again. Exponential law 3. What's 4 squared? 4 squared is 16. And what do I do to the powers? I times them together, and it gives me 6. So I squared that, and then I raised this power, or I raised it to 2, so 4 squared is 16, but the powers are times together. Look at the next example, something you guys kids make mistakes with. With this example, don't cube that and then cube that. First, see if you can simplify inside your first. Can I simplify that? Yes, I can. And what will I'll keep the brackets? I'll be left with 8x to the power of 3 cubed. Remember, I don't add the powers because I'm adding. But if I was timesing, then I would add the powers. Don't mistake in those two rules together. So now, what's the cube root of 8 was 512. I had to do this on my calculator. 512. X and 3 times 3 gives me 9. So 512 x to the power of 9. Alright, these are exponential laws you've already done before. So I'm not going to do too many examples. When I square root, I ask myself what number multiplied by itself will give me 25, and it's 5. But now look here, when I square root this, you know that square root of 25 is 5. But what do I do to the power? The power I divided by 2, because it's the square root. There's a silent 2 here, which I showed you guys already. So what's 4 divided by 2? It's 2. I gave a little side example. The fifth root of this. So now what do? What do I do to that? I divide 25 by 5. So 5 can go into 25 5 times. So if it was a third root, which I'm going to do now with you guys, a cube root, what number multiplied by itself will give me 125? 5. And what do I do to the power? I divide it by 3. So 12. Thank you, my love. Okay, and then the last example. I've got everything under the square root sign here, but I have to simplify first underneath here. So I have to do bottom maths first. I have to times these two together. Once I times those, I add it to that, and then I square root it. So let's have a look. What's 2 times 2? It's 4. And what's x cubed times x cubed? It's x to the power of, we have to add them, it's 6. Don't times them. When I'm timesing same basis, I add the powers. And then look here. Do I have like terms now? Yes, I do. Can I add these two together? What's 4 plus 12? 4 plus 12 is 16. So I've got 16x to the power of 6. So, can I square root the 16? Yes. The square root of 16 is 4. And what do I do to the power? Because I'm square rooting, I divide it by 2. So it's x to the power of 3. That's my answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, squaring is fine because it's exponents and cubing is fine. But the square root and cube root, you square root the number or you cube root the number, but what you do to the powers, you always divide the powers by the root's number. So square root, you divide by 2, cube root by 3, and also the fifth root, you divide by 5. It's 8 root, you divide by 8. Okay, so make some notes in your books, re-look at the video and go do the exercise, and then I'll post answers by 12. Enjoy your lesson, and get hold of me on Teams if you need any help. God bless.